Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Canva for Twitter graphic design. Canva is a versatile graphic design platform that offers a wide range of tools and templates for creating various visual content, including images, infographics, posters, and social media posts. In relation to social media, Canva is particularly useful for creating eye-catching and engaging visual content that can be shared on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. With Canva, you can choose from pre-designed templates specially tailored for different social media platforms, ensuring that your content fits the required dimensions and formats. It provides a user-friendly interface where you can customize templates by adding text, images, shapes, icons, and other design elements. Canva also offers a library of stock photos, fonts, and illustrations to enhance your creation. By utilizing Canva's features, social media users and businesses can create professional-looking graphics and posts that align with their brand aesthetics, effectively communicate their messages, and increase their engagement and reach on social media platforms.
Twitter is a popular social media platform that allows users to post and interact with short messages called tweets. It enables individuals and organizations to share informations, opinions, news, and media content in real time. Users can follow other accounts to see their tweets on their timeline and engage with them through likes, retweets, replies, and direct messages. Twitter is known for its character limit, originally set at 140 characters per tweet but expanded to 280 characters in most languages. It has a prominent platform for communications, news dissemination, networking, and online conversations.
When it comes to making graphic designs for Twitter, Canva can be a valuable asset. Here's how it can help. First, templates. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates specifically tailored for social media platforms, including Twitter. These templates come in various sizes and styles, ensuring your designs fit perfectly within Twitter's dimension. Second, customization. With Canva, you can customize every aspect of your design, including colors, fonts, images, and layouts. You can upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive library of stock photos, illustrations, icons, and other design elements. Text and typography. Canva provides a wide range of fonts to choose from, allowing you to create visually appealing typography. You can adjust the font size, color, spacing, and alignment to make your text stand out. The fourth one is graphics and elements. Canva offers a vast collection of graphics, shapes, icons, and illustrations that you can easily add to your designs. These elements can help you convey your message, enhance visual appeal, and make your designs more engaging. Fifth, collaboration. If you're working in a team or seeking feedback from others, Canva allows you to collaborate by sharing your designs with team members, clients, or collaborators. They can provide comments or make edits in real time, making the design process more efficient. Social media integration. Canva provides seamless integration with various social media platforms including Twitter. You can directly publish your designs to Twitter or download them in the appropriate format for sharing on the platform. And last is mobile accessibility. Canva offers a mobile app allowing you to create and edit designs on the go. This is particularly useful if you need to quickly create or modify graphics for Twitter while away from your computer. Overall, Canva is a versatile graphic design tool that can help you create visually appealing design for Twitter. With its templates, customization options, vast library of design elements, and user-friendly interface, Canva empowers you to create professional-looking graphics that effectively communicate your message on the platform. And that's how you can use Canva for Twitter designs. If you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want to have an overview on how can you use Canva for graphic design, you can watch our previous video about Canva.